Girl, okay. I'm gonna show y'all more of what I saw at Joann's, okay? So y'all just sit back and relax. Cause it's gonna be a little bit of ride Miss Yo-Yo gonna take y'all on, okay? And don't forget, I check y'all out at the end, okay?
Oh my goodness. I turned the corner and I saw the kiosk was full. Mm-mm-mm. Child, they had stickers, they had planners, they had minis, they had the washi tape, they, all new. I don't be going up here giving Joann all y'all money, so let me give you the lowdown, okay? They got 25% off the Happy Planner stuff, okay? 25%, and if you part of that rewards thing, I got a $5 in my rewards program that expired today, so this worked out perfectly. $5 off a $5 purchase or more. So you know a sister gonna have to get up here and find something to buy. Okay? So she can use that coupon. Don't ever let a coupon go to waste, okay? Don't let it go to waste, girls. Let me tell you right now. Look at it. They got new stickers. Ooh, the half sheet. I've been wanting that half sheet right there. That's been on my list right there. That works out perfectly for my weekend list. Look at that. Give me the categories and everything. Oh my goodness. New kits, accessories. Do these prices look the same to you? Because it seems like it's pretty cheap, but maybe it's because I've been buying that Walmart dollar stuff for a couple of weeks now that I don't forgot what the prices were. New dashboards, new paper. Oh my goodness. Calm down, Yo-Yo. Ooh, slow it down. Enjoy the ride, just enjoy the ride, girls. Now this right here, this is another side right here. This was another side. They had some minis over here. They had some notes. Ooh, child. They got some more sticker books. Look at that. I love the colors on these. Oh my goodness, I love the colors on the Stargazer. Ooh. Just calm myself down. Just look at it. Just, breathe. Okay. Let's see. I'm just trying to take it all in. Look at that. They cut off the corners. I've been doing that for months. Now Stephanie went and did it for me. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is beautiful. Woo. I'm just trying to flip through some of these so, if you haven't seen them, at least you get some kind of preview before you get here. And then that way, I got to hurry up. I got to pick my sister up from work. So I'm just trying to look and see what I want to grab real quick because I can't leave here without buying something. I got to use my coupon, girls. You know how that is, a discount. You got to take a discount, a coupon, something, and use it. Look at that. Ooh. They got stuff down there. Look at this. They got the 2020 minis. Yeah, they got the 2020 minis. They got more half sheets. They got more full sheets. Oh, I like that one too. Oh my goodness, $5.99. These prices, they just seem, they the right prices, but they just seem like they low. I've been up at Walmart too long. Oh. They got classics. They got new washies. Stop it, girl. Stop it, Stephanie. You're killing me, girl. You're killing me. Woo. I love these. Oh. Just breathe now.
Aren't y'all not playing a group?
Somebody recognized me from my planner meetup group.
Look,
I'm over here trying to flip through the pages and tape, and sister said, aren't you from my planner group? Did y'all hear that? Yeah, I am. I know she's going to be talking about me when we have our meetup next month. I don't care. Look at that. Look at that half sheet. Look at these dashboards. And they got some new paper here I haven't seen before. I gotta check that out. Now, I'm just trying to give y'all an overview, so I'm just pulling back so you can see all the stuff, see how full it was, okay? Because now if you get here and it don't look like this, now you need to take that up with your planner friends because that means somebody don't beat y'all to the bum rush up over here. Now let me tell you, they got everything, but y'all got to get over here because I got to go. Okay, I got to go. I can't step in no longer. I got my 2 little items. I got my coupons. The sister got to hit the door. I'll catch you later. Okay.
Child, I'm sorry if it looked like I cut that off on the end, but I got 2 things. I got $8 up on my cash card and rent coming due next week, so I got to get up out of here, okay? I guess I'll see y'all on Facebook, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at YoYoFine. Don't forget to like, share, and what? Subscribe.